The special point on shoulder tool. Start off by drawing the underarm. To get the underarm, you're gonna take your bust, half your bust measurement divided by 4 plus 9 centimeters. That will give you the length of your underarm. The midpoint of these 2 points will give you the across back. Use the midpoint tool. Right at the top will give you the center back. Neck point. Neck width is half bust measurement, which is 46. This is a 92 bust. 46 divided by 6 minus 0.6. 2 centimeters up from this point will give you the shoulder height. Curve tool, you curve from the neck, back neck to the shoulder. Use the handles and curve, gently curve for the back neck. Then extend this line here. Extend it to about 15 or so centimeters. That's to give it the shoulder width. And now at this point you can use the special point on shoulder tool. You click on that and you're going to click onto the neck width. Then you click onto the shoulder height and on the estimated shoulder length. Once you, this will pop up, and then you're going to add your exact shoulder length. Say if it's 14 centimeters, you press apply and it automatically created the neck drop, the shoulder drop, and your shoulder length. That's for the shoulder drop. Make sure you also click onto the extended shoulder length here and keep that as 14 as well, and it will change, it will adjust the length of your shoulder.